Question number 21 of the PhilNITS FE morning portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is a clause that is inserted into blank A of the SQL statement below, that calculates the average scores for each class and subject from the midterm test table and displays them in ascending order of class and subject. Okay, if you look at the SQL statement, we already have class, subject, average score as this one, average score from midterm test, and we have blank A here. Again, what we need to know is which of the following would be inserted into blank A. It's supposed to calculate the average scores for each class and subject from the midterm test table. So this part is really this one already, right? We're getting the average scores for each class and subject from the midterm test table. Okay, so this part is this part. Now what about for blank A? We need to display them in ascending order of class and subject. So we need to know how to display them in ascending order. What we find is that if we look at the answer group, letter C has this part where you got order by class subject, which is also found in choice A, but I chose C, which is the correct answer, because if you look at the differences and the similarities of the answers or the possible answers in this question, we find that they keep on using the average score. Average score, group by class, subject, order by average score. But what we really need to focus on is to get them to be displayed in ascending order using the class and subject, not the average score. We want to calculate the average score, but we're displaying them in ascending order of class and subject. So we should have class and subject. Therefore, if we keep on getting the average scores here, then we can eliminate them. For example, B and D. Okay, order by class, subject, and average score. Letter B, order by class, average score. Okay. Now, actually, this part with the group by class, subject, I wasn't really too sure about that. Why do you need to group by class and subject as well? But turns out that letter A, group by class and average score, I think wouldn't really fit into the blank that we're answering, because again, we already know that we're talking about this part for this, not the part where you get the average scores for each class and subject from the midterm test, because it's already here. So I chose C, which turns out to be the correct answer.